Hello everyone. I will present you the Microsoft exam MB5-537 Microsoft Dynamics Retail Management System 2.0 Store Operations. The basic information of this exam, like the time allowed, the number of questions and minimum required passing score, will be available for you upon registration for this test. Here are the main three topics related with this exam. First, you have to understand installation and setup. Subject covered by 21% from the total of the questions. You have to understand manager, 50% from the total of the questions. And finally, point of sale, subject being covered by 29% from the total of the questions. Please stay tuned for our next Microsoft exam presentations. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.